In this tutorial, we'll talk about how to create new grant records in Salesforce. So grants are opportunity records that usually come from philanthropic organizations such as corporate or private foundations, charitable trusts, and other types of organizations that want to make a grant or specialize in grant writing. So here we are in our nonprofit organization account page. This is the foundation that will be making a grant to FoodCorps. And there's several ways to go about creating a new grant record. One way I would like to illustrate in this tutorial is creating a grant record by using the New Grant Quick Action, which we have right here. So I'll click on under More, I'll select New Grant, and here we see that the opportunity name is already pre-populated for us. So here we have the Human Fund, the fiscal year, which is automatically set. So let's say we're in the month of August or September, October. So anytime after the month of August, then it will be sent to the fiscal year that corresponds to the month that we're in. So here, the opportunity name is already populated for us. In addition to that, the account name is also already populated for us. So here, we'll just enter a closed date. So that will be October 11th. We will have an expected ask date, which will be today's date. We'll set the stage to prospecting, indicating that we're still looking and we're hoping that we'll be able to procure the gift. We'll make this a $1 million grant. We will leave next steps blank, and then we'll indicate that the fiscal year for use will be the year 2018. That's the fiscal year that we are currently in. This is an unrestricted fund, so unrestricted meaning that it can be used for any programs, any activities within FoodCorps. If it is restricted, we do indicate that we can mark that as restricted. We will create the record, and then from there, our new record has been created. So there are several places where we can find the record that we've just created. The one that's most noticeable is here in the chatter feed at the top of the page. So here we see that the Human Funds record has been created. In addition to that, you can also see the newly created opportunity here in the Opportunities Related list. So let's click on that. So now we see details about our new opportunity. If we want to make changes or edits to our record, such as marking our record as being closed won, we can do that. So we'll just mark it as closed won. If we want to add notes or other attachments or comments or even attach a file, so let's say we receive an MOU or other documentation, you can also do that too by simply clicking on the File tab here in the Quick Action and then uploading a file from your computer, where you can choose a file and then add it. You can also post comments and other messaging regarding that. So here we now see that our opportunity is marked as paid now that we've marked it as closed won. And that's basically how we go about creating new grant records in Salesforce. Thanks for watching. Hope it helps.